Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm reviewing a digital product that's making waves in the AI side hustle space. It's called 300 Side Hustle with Nano Banana. If you've ever felt left behind by tech or overwhelmed by tools like Photoshop, this might be your breakthrough. This product shows you how to use Google's new Photoshop killer, Nano Banana, to create and sell digital products with zero design skills. It's beginner-friendly, fast, and built for people who want to start earning online without the usual tech headaches. Features and benefits. Let's talk about what you actually get. 300 proven side hustle ideas, from selling posters and prints to launching digital services. Unrestricted PLR rights, meaning you can rebrand, resell, or use the ebook as your own product. No design skills needed. Nano Banana lets you edit images by simply chatting with AI. Step-by-step guidance. You'll learn how to package your work and sell it on platforms like Etsy, Fiverr, or Gumroad. Bonus bundle worth $500 plus, including workbooks, planners, and AI marketing guides. The real benefit? You're not just learning, you're getting a ready-to-sell business in a booming niche. Pros and cons. Pros: beginner-friendly and fast to launch. No need for Photoshop or expensive tools. PLR rights let you profit instantly. Works globally, no location restrictions. Comes with 15 powerful bonuses. Cons: you still need to take action, it's not passive unless you set it up. Nano Banana access isn't bundled, but it's free via Google AI Studio. Overall, it's one of the easiest entry points into AI-based income I've seen. User reviews. Let's talk results. Sarah, a 42-year-old mom, used Nano Banana to create pet posters and made her first $100 on Etsy within days. Jay, a college student, rebranded the ebook and sold it as part of his digital bundle, earning over $500 in his first week. Most users say it's the first time they felt confident using AI tools, and the PLR rights make it a no-brainer for resellers. Conclusion: so, who's this for? If you're new to AI, tired of complicated tools, or just want a plug-and-play side hustle, 300 Side Hustle with Nano Banana is for you. Personally, I think this is one of the smartest ways to ride the AI wave in 2025. You get a viral topic, a resellable product, and a roadmap that's built for action. And right now, it's just $9.99, plus you get 15 bonuses worth over $500 and a 30-day refund guarantee. Click the link below and grab your copy before the price goes up. This might be your easiest entry into the AI gold rush.